The Carnival Panorama is a Vista-class cruise ship that was built for Carnival Cruise Line. The ship will be in service going to Mexico back and forth on 7-day cruises, and we are on the maiden journey. So it was actually completed in Fincantieri Marghera, which is in Venice, and it sailed all the way down around South America and all the way up to Long Beach, which is our port of departure. The ship is 1,060 feet long and 258 feet high. It also has a depth of 37 feet and it holds about 4,000 people. It has a crew of almost 1,500 and it is actually the largest ship until the Mardi Gras is completed in late 2020. So come to take a journey with us as we explore the Carnival Panorama.
Hey guys, we're in our room. We actually got a balcony room, which is nice because you have the open ocean and it's nice and doesn't feel boxed up. If you come in, take a look. You have a nice queen bed. We're gonna be the first people to sleep here, which is awesome. There's also a pull-out couch if you're sharing a room. There's lots of lights. It feels like a small apartment almost. You have your closet space. You have a locked safe right there. The bathroom here is kind of cozy. You have a shower, bathroom. You have the water. It feels like water that's running, like the airplanes almost. Kind of small, but one tip for you guys is don't forget to put your card in here or else the lights won't work. So it kind of reminds me of Asia. Always extra stuff for you. The hospitality is excellent. You're gonna click on the number where you're going, and they say do it twice because we have 2 people.
So this is the beer station. I'm gonna show you how to tap it. First you tap the card, which doesn't work. Place the beer glass under the tap. Choose your beer. So we have Yellow Light or Toasted Amber.
Authorizing.
And I don't know how to stop it.
It's pouring.
9 ounces, so 10 seconds to pour your own beer. That's it. So, $4 beer from your tap. It's an automated machine. Cheers.
And when you're tired of all that food and drinking, you can exercise here in the exercise park. Right outside, enjoying the sunrise and sunset. Alright, some of the things that are going on right now in the promenade is the electric violins and with New Age. We also have other things that are going on, like the guitar sounds. There's a karaoke going on as well. And there's raffles, cocktails, and much, much more. There's always a mall inside a cruise ship. So if you forgot something, you can always find it here. And a casino.
$40 is part of the pool?
Yeah, so it's 3 games, but I get like all this. So if I do $20, only this. And then with the green card, they give me a bonus one for the last game.
No, I'm gonna take your money. What have you got to say?
I'm gonna take your money.
Come on, say it like you mean it. What have you got to say?
I'm gonna take your money.
No, I'm a little disappointed. This is the panorama. I expected more than that. Come on, let's practice. Stand on up, stand on up. Stand on up. Let me hear you say it like you believe it. What you got to say?
For the second night, they have set up studios everywhere, and then you can dress up, have family photos. Here you see that they have 3 different photo studios. We're gonna head in the Sky Zone. So we're here on this deck, and there is a sky ride that you can actually ride. It goes around the deck, and there's a obstacle course that you can kind of go on there. It's not open right now, but we'll come back. Miniature golf, twister, there's a pool table. ocean for the younger kids if you want a little break from them, and they can enjoy themselves in here. Cute, like little Dr. Seuss theme. You have all the books and the games. When you're done, you put it back. Little kids can play while mommy and daddy wait and hang out. Look at this tree. This is cute. Sky ride, and we have the thing over there where they harness you, and there's a nice obstacle course. And we have a beautiful sunset here in Ensenada. Okay, this Carnival cruise actually has a cool water slide and a water park for the kids to enjoy. And it's open. See, look at that water park. There's slides, there's different types for the kids, young and old.
It is 10:30 right now.
Yes, it's 10:30. Got myself some soft serve that's open 24/7.
Okay, so this is our final review of the ship. The ship is very, very nice.
It's brand new. It's very clean. There's lots of activities for you to do and lots of restaurants that you can choose from. Not just the free stuff, but you have a variety of bars and restaurants to choose from.
It was some of the best food that we tasted. Now the downside is that it is easy to get lost on the ship. Not all of the decks interconnect. And that's because of the two giant atriums.
Yep.
And also the ship is kind of rocky, so it's got this weird, not only does the rock slide from side, it's got a weird shuddering noise when, during the voyage. So I'm not sure if that's normal, but I didn't experience that on some of the other ships.
But overall, I think it's a great ship. You should try it out and enjoy your time. If you like our video, just hit thumbs up and subscribe.